Morning. Coming at you from the Suwannee River.
Down here on Suwannee River.
We just put in the water. We got about a 9 point something mile, 12 mile paddling trip to get to our camp today. Let's see what we can get into. Hopefully we don't get eaten.
Should be fun.
The Suwannee River, a timeless ribbon of black water winding through the heart of North Florida. From the misty Okefenokee Swamp in Georgia, it flows nearly 250 miles down to the Gulf of Mexico, a journey through history, legend, and untamed beauty. Now we're coming up to one of the cool limestone formations. Makes like a little balcony up here. Maybe we should camp here. Unlike most rivers, the Suwannee remains wild. No major dams, no artificial walls, just a living, breathing piece of old Florida. Fed by hundreds of crystal clear springs, its waters reflect the deep greens of cypress and oak. I just ruined that clip. I don't know what you hear.
How's that?
What? Should have went the other way? Get out of the way!
It's gonna make you turn.
Maybe we should have stayed on the left side. Those are rocks. That's not a tree, though. I think that's what that guy was talking about. Mess up the bottom of your... We'll see you later. Crossing under our first bridge ever. Oh, there's that spring house. Dude. Some people there fishing, I think.
Nestled on the banks of Florida's Suwannee River lies the haunting remnant of a bygone era, the white Sulfur Springs bathhouse. Once celebrated as Florida's first tourist attraction, this spring was thought to possess healing powers. By the early 1900s, The wooden structure was replaced with an elaborate 4-story bathhouse. It featured coquina and concrete walls, multiple balconies, doctors' offices, dressing rooms. Though its healing waters are gone, the legacy remains, a reminder of how nature, culture, and belief converged in one small Florida town.
So what do you think so far after 3 hours and 3 miles of paddling? 8 more to go.
I like it. Very relaxing.
Here at White Springs, the river's gentle current once drew travelers from all over, coming to bathe in what they called healing waters. Long before Florida was a state, the Timucua tribe lived along these banks. I don't know.
I had rock.
Probably walkable.
Oh, no.
Huh? Oh, you gonna go that way?
Yeah.
Huh? Go for it. Yeah.
Good jump.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Yeah.
Almost 5 hours into it. Finally went under 75. So we got about 2 miles to go before we get to camp. Gotta push it. Kind of hot now. When Spanish explorers arrived in the 1500s, the river became a crossroads, a place of contact, conflict, and legend.
Can you hike your foot somewhere?
No. In the 1800s, the steamboats like the Madison and Suwannee Belle carried passengers and cotton up and down these dark waters. After a long day of paddling, we finally made it. Just little sandbar. Be a sandbar.
Yeah, that's what I need to go.
You got nowhere to hook it
Make sure that the food lies back there.
in? Nowhere to hook it anyway.
Because two of you are going to take this. And I'm going to take mine by myself.
And after figuring out
Wait, don't put your
how to get out of our kayaks, we unloaded everything and proceeded to camp.
We just got the bucket right now. The bucket under there.
The Woods Ferry Camp is the first river camp on the Suwannee River Wilderness Trail. The river camp provides 5 sleeping platforms, a picnic pavilion, restrooms with hot showers, and a tent camping area. After resting from the long paddling day, we cooked a delicious meal
Come on.
and just relax by the water, knowing we had a long day ahead of us the next morning to the pickup location. I hope to see you back for part 2, where we paddle to our pickup location. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.